Well, an IU bus driver turned entrepreneur has inked a deal to manufacture her medical device that University of Southern Indiana students recently brought to life. Business of Health reporter Kylie Veleta is here now with more. Kylie.
Well, Gary, it really is a great story. It was a major case of burnout and an injury that kept IU alum Morgan Leigh Miller from returning to her job as a hospital patient care tech in Bloomington and take on the less stressful role of campus bus driver. But she couldn't let go of her idea. After injuring her back while turning a bedridden patient, she wanted to create a device that would automate the demanding task. Nurses and techs are required to turn bedridden patients every 2 hours to prevent bed sores. Her device resembles a cushion that fits on top of a standard hospital bed. With the push of a button, air chambers inflate on one side to tilt the patient to either side 30 degrees, the turning standard for hospitals. And a pressure alternating system helps keep blood moving. But with no business experience and only a hand-drawn sketch of her idea, Morgan turned to University of Southern Indiana's Center for Applied Research, which she says was a game changer. A team of student engineers built 4 prototypes.
With the finished prototype, I took it to what's called MedTrade. It's the biggest medical conference of the year, and I have a whole list of buyers now, and that wouldn't have happened if I hadn't had my prototype. I was able to show them exactly what it did, how it worked, and I don't think that I wouldn't have even been able to go to MedTrade if I didn't have my prototype.
Miller now has her patent and an agreement with Mercix near Muncie to manufacture the first run of her devices in the next 3 to 6 months. And some big news this week for a New Albany-based startup. RX Lightning has closed on a $17.5 million Series A round of funding and has plans to triple employment over the next 2 years. The company has developed a software platform to streamline the specialty medication enrollment process for patients, giving them much quicker access to more than 1,200 specialty medications for treatment of cancers and rare diseases. We've featured RX Lightning and co-founder Julia Regan for winning multiple awards at TechPoint's annual Mira Awards the past 2 years.